So hello everyone, I have a very special guest who happened to be hanging out with me today.
Hello.
Hi, so a few explanations. I just got home from Toronto, it's been crazy, and I have a really fancy event tonight, so that's why I look so kind of like Grecian and done. And my mom just came
I'm not going.
No, you're not going, but you came to hang out with me while I get ready. And
that's right.
Right? So since we're here, I thought I would share this unboxing with you because I really, really wanted my mom to see this handbag.
Yes, I've seen it in picture, but not in reality.
In reality.
Life,
Yeah.
Sorry.
So she saw so many sneak peeks that you guys weren't party to because I went to the Chanel store with Natalie, saw this bag, and then couldn't stop thinking about it. So I went back. It was so crazy because they have no cell phone reception in the Toronto store, but they were really nice. So they held the bag while I went in and out and took photos in like a natural light and everything and showed my mom, and you kind of fell in love with it too.
Yes, oh yes, I loved it.
You guys will see why. So let's get to the unboxing. People get upset if you don't get into stuff, so we should do that. You can see it came with all the fancy packaging, and I'm so proud of myself because it's not too crumpled, hey, and it was in my carry-on.
Oh, was it?
On Air
I thought
Canada.
you carried it separately.
No, and they even moved my bag from one overhead compartment to another, and I was like, don't hurt my Chanel, but it came out just fine. So yeah, it's got the
It's a big sturdy box.
It is actually really nice and sturdy, and it's the new style of boxes, I think, where it has like the magnetic front, but we'll see together. Do you want to help? Pull harder.
No, you pull
Harder.
one side.
Okay, we're doing this like a Christmas cracker.
Yes.
This is so fun.
There you go.
There we go. So I have not reopened the box, so I haven't seen this bag either for several days.
But you've seen it in person, so.
It's just the receipt. They were really, really nice, by the way. I would not have bought it had I received crappy service as I have in Vancouver. It's a standalone store, so it's just a totally different experience. You know, like Renfrew just isn't the friendliest, and I don't think I would shop there again, but per Natalie's recommendation, I had Marina help me the first day, and then when I went back, it was actually the store manager and another lady whose name I don't remember, but they were all really welcoming and accommodating, and I looked at every single handbag in the store, more or less, between the first and second day, but this was the one that I just had an emotional attachment to. So how does this box...
Well, you just said magnetic.
Yeah, it is,
so
but it was on the wrong side. It was on the wrong side, so yeah. There we go.
Still shrouded in mystery.
Yeah, do the honors. Now the color of it looks so different in different lighting, so it might look different than what you expect. I'm interested to see what you hear. I think it looks really different in natural light versus artificial light. So,
You can't tell.
You can't tell.
No.
It's got a nice dust bag.
That's useful.
All right, reach in. This is like, my mom is like my magician's assistant today, except I'm producing this really,
I don't have the fancy
really overpriced
dress.
handbag instead of the bunny.
Needed. Oh,
Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
Come on, hold it up.
Very cute.
Show everybody what do you
Very
think.
cute. What do you think?
So, does it
No,
sort
I
of
like
match
it.
up to what you thought?
Yeah. It's a bit darker, I guess.
You think it's darker?
A little bit darker than
getting
its
dark
photo, but it might be the
outside,
lighting. Yeah. No, I think it's a really nice neutral.
So it's actually called light pink, but it's, according to all the sales associate, definitely more of a lavender. So they have some pink bags right now. It comes in two sizes. It's called the Business Affinity. This is the small, and there's also a medium. And it's funny because normally I'm like all about bigger bags. I don't really like the whole baby bag trend other than my Celine Nano. But this one I much preferred in the small.
Yeah, this one is not that small. I mean, you can use put your essentials in it.
Yeah.
Right?
So it's got a long strap, but you can wind it around very much like you would with a wallet on chain. And the hardware, can you kind of see? I was trying to show my mom in photos. it's like in between gold and silver.
Yeah.
They call it champagne. It's definitely more of a cool tone than their traditional yellow gold hardware, if you've ever seen that. It's really different from that, but it's not quite silver either. And what I love about this bag is that it's actually pretty roomy. It's got a pocket that fits my 6 Plus in the back, or 7 Plus? 7 Plus.
I don't
even know
look
which
at
one
me,
I
I
have
don't
anymore.
Not
And
an
then
iPhone specialist.
the inside is like kind of square and open,
Yeah.
so you can
I think
fit.
it's got pocket, right?
Yeah.
Too, and then you have this in the front. Is this supposed to be like a wallet thing? Or?
I don't know. It's just like another compartment where you could also put your phone, I guess, if it was smaller.
Well, then it's out of reach.
Yeah.
The
I would-
outside is better.
You know my Celine Nano? I'm kind of thinking that it will fit around the same amount. Because if you think of the Celine Nano, it's really more like this, you know, kind of deep. This one is more like the same, but the other way around. Kind of rectangular, like that same kind of shape.
I think it's about the same
Size-wise.
Yeah.
And I've gotten a lot of use out of that bag, actually. I never thought, like I said, that I would be a mini bag person, but I wore it a lot this summer. But as my mom knows, this was 100% like an emotional decision. Like I just
always is, right?
well, I don't know.
It's a bag that you already like.
Sometimes you buy a bag and it's like a black bag and you just know it's like a smart decision that you'll have it for many years and you know all of those things. But
it's not because it's colored, right?
Yeah.
It's like a neutral. Even your green, you wear it all the time,
Yeah.
right? So
yeah.
I think it's a good purchase.
And when I saw it, where my mind went is that I would use it a lot for a trip that we're taking that I haven't told you guys about that much. Do you want to do the big unveiling? Because I'll probably be vlogging for at least some of it.
Oh, really?
Well, if you guys
I'm
want
not
to see.
sure we're going to have that much internet on the boat.
Oh, I can always upload it after.
Yeah.
It's fine. I mean, document it
Yes.
for posterity.
Yes.
All right, say where we're going.
Why are we going to Tahiti again?
So that's my birthday present, and I'm so excited. So that's at the very end of December into January, right?
Yes.
So yeah, I think this little baby will be coming with me, and I think it'll be really chic and, you know, kind of fresh looking and small for the cruise. And I think it'll be perfect for that.
Yes.
So it's something to look forward to.
Very pretty.
Yeah. Well, there you go. That's the unveiling. Thank you so much for joining me. People have been saying hi to you and asking like where you are and stuff.
Oh, really? I was here in boxes and then I'm in boxes again. So
Well, there you go. This is a break.
I'm moving.
Yeah.
But yeah.
There you go. So here she is, and here she is. And thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye.
Bye.